Because of the surgery I had to have, I couldn't place the Servox against my neck. I had to put one that it would go in my mouth with a long tube, and I used that for a while. I don't remember exactly what length of time. Once everything healed up, pretty much, then I started to use the type I use now, and I've been using for all this time, 19 years now. In a crowd, you'll notice that people can't hear you very well in a noisy, with all background noise, so you need to get real close to people. Say in a loud mall or in a crowded room where everybody's talking, they'll drown you out real fast. My speech therapist got me in contact with Lauder Enterprises in 19 years, and you can't make me go away. You really have to learn. Also, you need to enunciate your words real good. You also have to know when to apply the button to get the vibration so you can speak or people can understand you. Learn where the best area on your neck is to get the best vibration to where it projects the best.
The sweet spot?
Yes, like on me, I have to use it on the right side because my left side has the muscle from my pectoral muscle that was placed up here for the circulation. I really can't tell how they sound to you and you.
Doesn't matter.
You know what I mean?
Doesn't matter. Sounds good to us.
So, what I mean is, they sound different in my head because that's basically what's happening. Whenever I speak, I hear my old voice.
Cool.
I don't know how to explain to you. I don't know how to explain to you. I hear my old voice, but when I hear myself on film, I hear the monotone. I've been using this Servox for 19 years, but I want to speak with other units, so you see the difference between the one I've been using for all this time and the newer units that have come out and are available.